Let's take a look to the question number 16, and given the code below, what will be the value of the result variable? And then we have a function that is called myFunction. This function have the variable x that is equals to 10, the variable y that is equals to 20, and then it prints the string Python is cool. Finally, the function do x plus y that is equals to 30, and then we declare a variable that is called result, and it is equals to the return of my function execution. So what is the value of the result? And the options that we have are A, Python is cool, B, 30, C, it will be void, and D, it will be none. And of course, for us to know the result of the value of result variable, we must print the result variable. Okay, so let me do here something to be easy for us to know this is the right string. So result is equals to result. Okay, and let me open the terminal and let me execute this, and now we have here two strings. Python is cool. This is the result of executing this instruction inside my function, okay, and then we have result is equals to none. This is the result of this print, okay. So the right answer is D, none, because here we are printing the value of result variable, okay. So this is confusing. We got Python is cool in the console and the right answer was D, none. Why? The thing is, the question asks for the value of the result, not what the function itself prints in the console. So in other words, what was asked was what my function returns. If you already know other programming languages, you may think, well, this function have no return statement, so it must be void. No, Python is different and it actually returns something. So a function in Python without an explicit return statement returns none, and this is why the option D is the right answer. Oh, and by the way, Python now have support for type ints, which means that we can actually tell Python not only the expected return type, but also the expected types of each function parameter.